Yeah.
On YouTube, Sneaker Scavenger here, doing another vid. Guys, like I said in my very first video, I like a lot of different sneakers, you know. SBs, Jordans, sportswear sneakers, Nike sportswear, other retros. Again, there's a lot of sneakers that are re-releasing now that I had or wanted and stuff like that. So now that I can, I do. You know what I mean? Now that I can get it, I do it. And the Air Raid was one of those sneakers that released when I did get my first Jordan ever, but couldn't get, you know, back in my day, you got one pair of sneakers all year long, and if you got lucky, Easter you got a second pair. Anyway, Air Raids, very reminiscent of another sneaker I'll show you in a bit. And get to the box first. Here you go, guys. Air Raid, size 10, box numbers, retailing at $125. Picked these up, no problem, right in Foot Locker. Right when I picked up my Kobe 9 lows, the Bruce Lee joints. If you didn't see that vid, please go back, check it out. You'll see a few sneakers in that vid. But this sneaker, I mean, if you played ball outside like a lot of New York City kids did, I'm one of them, you had to put these on. I didn't. I played with whatever scrappy sneakers I had at the moment, but a lot of kids growing up, a lot of guys that I knew playing ball, they had these on. These were the ultimate outdoor shoe. Looking back at like 1993, you know, like 21 years ago, so we're talking. And on that outsole, just rugged, almost solid rubber. Air Raid, right there. For outdoor use only. Odds are, if I play with these indoors, you're gonna slide all over the place. That's what I'm guessing. Not a pro, just my own speculation. Maybe a white midsole there. That outsole wraps around to the midsole. See that back piece there? We can focus on it again. For outdoor use only. Now the straps really go like this. But I already tried them on, and that's how I'm going to wear them, the way I had them. And that's a suede back there. By the way, let's go through the shoe. On the toe cap, you have the 4-grain leather. You know, not the best leather, but I don't have an OG to compare it to, but this is still a pretty good leather. You know, it'll do. You have a gray nubuck on the toe box. You have black mesh along that mid panel. A nice black suede. Black nubuck on the heel. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this said Air Raid 2. Not Air Raid 2, but Air Raid backwards. I'm almost sure. On the OGs, it said Air Raid, but just backwards. It was like Raid. You know, backwards D-A-I-R, and then Air was R-I-A this way. In the same way it is here. Got that cross pattern there. Tinker, you know, made this shoe, and Nike like literally told them, you have to make an outdoor shoe. You know, people couldn't wear their Jordans indoor and outdoor anymore, because once you wore them outdoor, that was it, they were trash. And this is what he made, 1992, 1993, around there. One little quick detail I will put out there that I really liked. I noticed that as soon as I got the shoe in my hand was the laces. You got like just a little plastic tip. I can get it to focus. Hold on, guys. cool. I mean, for a retro, that's pretty cool. You don't get that, you know, too many other sneakers. Still says Nike Air on the insole. These do have a air unit in the heel. Sorry. These do have an air unit in the heel and nothing in the forefoot. I went through the sides of these. I tried them on. I had no problem. Did not feel any discomfort. And this sneaker easily reminded me of my first Air Jordan ever, which I do not own at the moment, but I will. Air Jordan 8s. This is the playoff colorway. But my first Jordan ever was the Air Jordan Aqua, and I'll keep hunting for it for sure. I'll definitely keep hunting for it, you know. And obviously you can see the similarities in the shoes. I think they're definitely inspired here with that cross pattern. I haven't even worn these yet, but see? No nice lace tips. What were these again? These were 160. These like 160, 170 if I'm not mistaken. You know, awesome shoe, classic sneaker. Definitely wanted it. Wear it soon. I will definitely wear it soon. I give it a break. These were, woo, man. I know these are played out. There's no hype behind these whatsoever, but these, I always wanted a pair. Finally got a pair. I'm happy I did. And you'll see also another comparison right there. Very similar on the back panel. There goes my dog again. Nike Air Raids, guys. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? I like them a lot. Reminds me of my first Jordan ever. Not this colorway, the Aquas. But just a dope shoe for me, man. I can't wait to rock these. These are getting rocked ASAP. Like, usually I never try on the shoe, but I had to with these. Also reminds me of those, the colorway of those Huaraches. They were 94. Might be wrong. Definitely wrong. But those trainers, same colorway. And I have the strap, the Nike there. But same colorway. Yeah, man, Nike Air Raids. Take my Foot Locker, no problem. Thank you for sleeping. This to me, this is heat. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe, and if you have any comments, any of the sneakers you might want to review, just say so in the comments. I'll respond to everybody. And thank you for everybody who is taking the time out to subscribe to me and listen to me babble on about sneakers. A quick shout out the tongue there too. Nike Air. Yeah. Just love that stuff, man. Love it, love it, love it. Love it. 90s basketball shoes are the best. But thank you guys for tuning in.